Today I'm taking delivery of my Mercedes 190, which has been my dream car in the 90s. This is a 1992 2-liter model that I was fortunate for a family member to offer this car to me. The car has been parked up for just over 3 years and is a non-runner. This will be a project for me to take on to get this car back on the road. Not only will this require mechanical work to get it running, but we'll need some TLC for the exterior body of the car along with interior. Hit that subscribe button to follow my journey to get this car back on the road and my plans of what I do next.